In this video, I am going to show you how to perfectly steam shrimp for juicy result. Steaming shrimp preserves their flavor and tender texture. The cooking time is varied based on shrimp size and whether they are fresh or frozen. Let's get started. I have frozen large shrimps, and these have been completely thawed, deveined, and washed. Next, I will be preparing steaming. I add 2 cups of water and a steam rack in a large pot. Now that the water is boiling, I am placing the shrimp on the rack. I then set up the time for 6 minutes. Reducing the heat to low. And start steaming for 6 minutes. Here is a final result. Look how gorgeous they are. I am going to remove this shrimp from the pans to avoid overcooked. There you have it. Steamed shrimp with juicy results. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.